Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PN Expert. In this video, we will learn about business continuity plan, disaster recovery, and cybersecurity with easy examples and simple math. Think of a business continuity plan as a keep the store open plan. If a storm happens, the plan tells everyone how to keep working. The goal is to keep the business running. A disaster recovery plan is part of the BCP. It focuses on technology like servers and data. It is the fix the broken computers plan. Cybersecurity is like locks and guards for computers. It protects data from hackers and prevents attacks before they happen. Here is a simple lemonade stand example. Cybersecurity is the guard protecting your money. Disaster recovery is the backup lemonade jug. And business continuity is moving the stand under the porch when it rains. Now let's use a simple risk formula called annualized loss expectancy. It is single loss expectancy times annualized rate of occurrence. Example, if a cyber attack costs $10,000 and it happens about 2 times per year, then the expected annual loss is $20,000. That is the budget we should be willing to invest in protection. Now, let's see what is inside a business continuity plan. It focuses on the big picture and people. Now, the disaster recovery plan is the tech manual. It has inventory, backup instructions, testing, and vendor contacts. It also includes 2 key math goals, RTO and RPO. RTO is the recovery time objective. It is the maximum time allowed to recover. RPO is the recovery point objective. It is how much data loss is acceptable. Inside a cybersecurity plan, we focus on defense. We control access, respond to incidents, train employees, and use tools like firewalls, antivirus, and encryption. Here is a summary of the 3 plans and their main goals. And that wraps up our lesson. With strong cybersecurity, a clear disaster recovery plan, and a complete business continuity plan, a company can stay safe and keep running during any crisis.